Babe, your wildest dreams deserve a chance. You have been self-sabotaging yourself since who knows when. We all know it's true, so don't even try to make an excuse. You have been scared of allowing your dreams to come true. You have this energy that no one else has. And if you think that, oh, it's oversaturated and I'm never going to be looked at, but that is so not true. And honestly, if you don't believe in yourself, that is only going to hinder you because everyone speaks about things differently. They do things differently. And you, being who you are, might be exactly what everyone else needs. So to say that it is oversaturated, no, babe, that is you creating an excuse. And if you watched yesterday, this is an ongoing part from yesterday because yesterday it was very much stepping into your power. It was owning your energy. And we're still in that mode today because I want to let you know that your wildest dreams is literally right there. It's so freaking close, dude. It's so close. And you're putting up your blockers and it's a dream, but okay, but you saying something like that, oh, it's a dream, but it'll never happen. You're right. You're right. It won't happen because you're literally saying to yourself, it's not going to happen. So it won't. So the universe is going to listen to you and say, oh, I guess they don't really want this. So let me throw them other opportunities. And then they'll throw universe, source, God, they will throw everything else into your life except for that one thing because you said, but that's never going to happen. I don't know about you, but if I have a dream and it doesn't scare me, you're not dreaming big enough because my dream's to help people and being known to help people, to heal people, to give people the validation that they need. That is everything for me. And it's scary. It is so scary. And I feel like these daily updates are getting to be like a diary for me because all of this is really what I'm going through, but also what the collective is going through. And that's why I share these daily messages now. Because we all need a little motivation right now because the world is not amazing right now. But you know what? You are amazing. You can do this. You have your dream. You have your goal. Set it and forget it. And keep working towards that goal. If you have a lifelong goal and you're not working on it, it's not the right one. Your wildest dreams deserve a chance. If you don't believe in you, who's going to? You need to be confident in this. You need to trust your intuition. You need to trust your gut, your instincts, anything you want to say. But that's your intuition. You need to trust yourself. You need to allow yourself to bring that frequency in, allow yourself to keep on going, even when it gets hard, and find a solution for every single thing that is headed your way. But also part of it too is releasing that old stuff that you don't need anymore. Because in order to fulfill your dreams, in order to allow that abundance, the opportunities to come in, you need to let all of that old crap that is bringing you down, holding you down, you need to let that crap go. And it's the perfect time to let it go. It's the perfect time. The energy that we are receiving as human consciousness, like it is absolutely insane right now. What is happening? Miracles are literally happening every single day. And what you put your energy in is so important. Because if you are putting your energy in a job that you hate, that isn't aligned with your true purpose, a relationship that isn't really bringing out the best you, if you're putting your energy into anything that isn't aligned to your highest and best self, you're wasting your time. You're wasting your energy. You're supposed to be doing something different. You're supposed to be doing something incredible and amazing. So freaking do it. Own it. Give your wildest dreams a chance. This is today's daily message. I hope this resonated. If it did resonate, please give me a thumbs up and make sure you hit subscribe below. That way you can get these daily messages, a little bit of oomph in your morning. But again, I am CG from the Galactic Soul and I am here to help. So definitely let me know how I can help in the comments below. And remember to always be yourself.